Welcome to class. Hello, hello. Nice to have you here. Take a couple of shoulder rolls. Very good. Good. And from here, we are going to take another big inhale. Exhale, bring your fingers down on top of your shoulders and kiss your your elbows, sorry, kiss the elbows and open. Kiss the elbows and open. Kiss the elbows and stay, 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 stay. Now the left arm is staying and the right one is opening to the side, and you turn a little bit towards the right in a little twist without pushing, and back to center. And then we take the other side. And back to center. One more time each side. Back to center is a little twist. We're going to do progressive twist now. And over to the left. And back. Now keep your elbows together. Open again. Kiss. Open. Kiss. Keep the elbows together. Remove your hands and bring your palms to touch. Yes. Good. Now we open. And we squeeze the shoulder blades. Every time we squeeze, we're strengthening the back muscles. And close. Now we're stretching those back muscles. And open and squeeze, make it active. And close, stay. And now we open the right, and we have a little bit bigger twist. And back to center. And without pushing, just following the movement. Back to center, one more. I know the arms are becoming tired, but that's fine. They won't fall off. They're getting stronger. Good. Now extend your arms in front, palms together. Now we're taking a bigger twist, opening. And back to center, and the other side. Opening, back to center. One more time each side. And open, and close, and squeeze the back, and front, bring it up. And rotate your wrist, bring it down, rotating the wrist. So we create a little bit movement in the wrist, and shake your hands. Good. Now, again, we are on the front part of the chair. And we lean a little bit forward, a little bit. We keep this lean, we're hinging from the hips when we lean forward. We release the right arm down, fingertips on the shoulder, and we rotate backwards 3 times. And the last one. Go. Now we come up with the elbow, we release the hand, and we thread the needle. So we are going under the left hand, and we are placing the arm on top of our thigh. Yes. Good. We stay here. We take a deep breath. Option now to extend the left arm in front if you like, or you stay where you are and open and close your fingers for a nice fascia massage and stretch. Good. Well done. And then we bring the hand back. We come up. We de-rotate. So we open wider to the side and we bring it down. Other side. We lean, hinging from the hips. We release the arm down, fingertips on top of the shoulder, and we rotate backwards 3 times. And the last one. And then rotate down. Up with the elbow, release the hand and thread the needle, this time under the right arm. So don't push yourself in the twist, should feel really nice. You can place your arm, your forearm on top of your thigh, and then option to stay here or to stretch the right arm this time to the front, to reach from your fingertips and open and close. Open and close, open and close, open and close. Very good. And back with that hand and de-rotating, opening wide, and coming down. Inhaling up, exhaling into Namaste. Slowing down the breath, inhaling up, bring it down. And one last, slow moving up, and bring it down. Good. We take the strap for some nice shoulder work out. So we take our strap and we double it. We double and we grab it wide, wide. So wider than our shoulders. Yeah. So you sit forward on your chair. Good. And we start to swing from side to side, keeping the strap nice tense all the time. Just loosening up the shoulder. Move within your range of motion. Don't force, never force a movement. So we want to lubricate, we don't want to abuse here our joints. And now take it a little bit further in a kind of twist, a little bit. So you're moving a little bit more to the side. Remember, the spine is nice long and your abs are in. And now you take it a little bit further, so it's maybe a bigger twist while you're swinging. Yes, and then the next time, right side, you bring it up overhead, and then down, and then you hinge from the hips, and you sweep it forward, and again up, hinging from the hips, forward. Remember, keep the belt nice tense. And we do 2 more. Moving within the range of motion. Good. And the last one. And we are now at the top. Make a pause here and just let the gravity pull the strap a little bit backwards. A little bit. Keep the strap nice, tense, belly in, and we take the other side, we reverse. So down to the right, forward, and up from the left. Belly in, remember, and we hinge from the hips, not from the waist or from the lower back. It means it doesn't matter how far you're coming down. And we take 2 more. Good, and the last one. And we come all the way up. Good, and let's give a rest to our arms now. Bring it down. Good, shake. And let's also give a little massage to the wrist. So grasp your finger and just moving in both directions. Okay, so we go back to our strap, grabbing again wide and keeping the tension in the belt, and we go up again. So belly in, and again without pushing, just see if you can bring it a little bit more backwards. And then we drop to we keep the upper body in the center, we just drop the right hand down and up, and the left one, and up again, each side once, up, remember, belly tight, and up, and then we bring it down to the front, and again we have a W with our arms. Yes, the elbows are down. Good, now we press it up overhead, and we bring it down. Take rest, Babs, if it's not working with the arm. And down with the shoulder, it's the shoulder, yes. And up, and down. Now up, and see if you can bring it a little bit back and down behind your back. If it's not working, then you bring it down in front to your chest. Otherwise, you can try to bring it back behind your back. You need to grab wider, wider, wider. Yes, wider. Yes, and up and down, either on the back or front. And up, back, up, front, and one more up. And if you can bring it down back, enjoy the opening of your chest here, and up, and release. Again, shake your arms, shake also your wrists, your hands. Open and close your fingers. Good, now we double again this belt. And this time we're grabbing shoulder width. And we open the legs a little bit wider, and we drop our arms down straight from the shoulders, and we apply again tension to this belt. Good. We hinge from the hips, belly in all the time, spine is nice, straight into neutral. We inhale, we bring up, the elbows are up, yes, up. Now forward, press the feet down, down, chest and up with the elbows and front. You need to apply tension to the belt and feel you're working with your back muscles and down and pull up and back, front and sweep it down and pull up, front and sweep it down. We do 3 more, front, down, keep tension all the time in this belt, and the last one, up, forward, and release, and come all the way up. Good. Place your belt to the side, stretch the right arm in front. Good, and bring it over. Now hook the hand below, above or below the elbow, and just stretch a little bit. So pull towards you this arm, stretching the back of your shoulder. Release the shoulders down, the shoulders are down, and the upper body stays in the center. It's not moving towards the left. And then we change, other side. Yes. Good. Stretch, 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 and to the front. Now the opposite, right arm to the side, and back, without moving the upper body. Only as much as we can, opening the pecs here. Good. Now flex the wrist. The fingers are pointing backwards, and look over to the left. Keep the stretch for 1 breath, inhaling and exhaling. Back to center, release, other side. Up, open, without moving the upper body, flex the wrist, toes pointing backwards. Keep the upper body in the center so your shoulders are over your hips. And now you just rotate the head to the opposite side, to the left side. And coming back. Good. Inhale, arms to the front, and give me some wrist rolls here. And in the other direction. Yes, well done. And release down. Give it a shake to everything. Good.